Hi everyone, this is Tony again. Back at Dittmar. Now Amtrak is finally coming out, and by the way, I'm done for tonight after Amtrak passes through the crossing, and I'll do anything I can to film anything out there while I'm out of town. But we'll see what I can do. But otherwise, I'll be back filming here Saturday night and all day Sunday. And we're gonna get everything packed up. Here comes Amtrak. Wow, we're 4 southbound today though. Yeah, so that's quite a bit of trains here. There it goes. Wow, that's a really late Amtrak Texas Eagle 21 here tonight. Alright, the reason why Amtrak Texas Eagle 21 is late tonight is due to a trespassing incident around Cleburne. Delayed while getting into Cleburne. So earlier Amtrak stopped south of Fort Worth because of the trespassing incident, and then later Amtrak was delayed a couple more, probably for about a good 20 minutes or so due to the Union Pacific boxcar train that was in Round Rock. So yep, we're done for today and pretty much done for this week for now, and I'll be back here in Austin on Saturday evening and all day Sunday, and then we're gonna get everything back to work for next week. Have a good time. Bye bye.